Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to take another look at the Blackrose machine on the Vulnhub. If you have already followed my channel, you know that I've already uploaded the video of this machine earlier. In that video, I've already demonstrated how to get initial foothold on the target. That is, after we can bypass the authentication utilizing the vulnerability of the function PHP function string compare function to bypass the authentication. Okay. However, even we can get the access of the admin or administrator's access to the web application, we cannot run any other command except who am I. This is, the function is very limited. So in summary, we need to bypass or manipulate the signature. Signature is some sort of the hashing. If any piece of data is changed, and the result or signature will be changed. So this is the purpose of signature, right? Anyway, and in that video, I show you, of course, I already told you I spent a bit long time to set it out. Although there's so many online websites which can generate the Bcrypt hash hashes. However, in those most of online websites only support the prefix, or one specific version of Bcrypt. The prefix is 2A. However, you know that the target, in this case, the target machine uses the prefix of 2Y. And although in the video I've already pointed you to this website can do this job perfectly, can create the hash, Bcrypt hash, which matches the target web application. However, come back to this video. I'd like to show you how to take advantage of a Python to create such a Bcrypt hash, okay? Because, of course, for Python has two modules which can support this the hash creation or generation. The first one is Bcrypt, and this is the built-in module of the Python 3. And another one is hash or pass, lib, and hash, and import Bcrypt. And based on my practice, this one cannot support this version. This version is adopted by the web application. For us, to manipulate this signature, we need to use the same version of Bcrypt encryption algorithm. Okay, I think I've already made it clear. And this one, come back to this module. This module doesn't support this version. Can support this one and also 2A maybe. So this cannot work for our purpose. And I'd like to use this one. However, to use this module properly, we need to make some, we need to configure it manually. Okay, let me show you in action, and go back to the browser. First of all, we need to bypass authentication, which process has been demonstrated in another video. Okay, or maybe I can call it complete video, and we can admin and the password or anything, and make sure the intercept option is on and the proxy is on as well, and we can log in. We can, by changing the type of this variable to array, to bypass authentication. And now, before we proceed, because this step, after we can get the admin access, such a session will be timed out very quickly. So we need to be, of course, sorry, I need to, this is the string. This is the reversal command. We need to, create its hash value. And to do that, we can launch our Python interactive environment. We can from import passlib hash import Bcrypt. And we can use the Bcrypt and using, so we can use this one to specify some parameters. The first parameter is the rounds. So how many rounds would be calculated to generate the hash? And this number you should know from the, maybe after we can get access, I will show you. This case should be the 10, and also the ident should be, or prefix should be to y, okay? And then hash. And we can copy, maybe I can use the single quote, and then we can copy this command. All right, as you can see, the 2y, this number means the round, how many rounds will be used to generate the hash, and this should be the ident or prefix. In some other cases, it's called prefix. And so this module can support 2y and also can support 2a and 2b, okay? And this is what we want, okay? So now we can copy this hash value. To use it, we need to make URL encoding, and we can paste in here. Okay, we can copy, and we can paste on my notebook. Now we can proceed. We have already got everything ready, got prepared, because again, this process should be done as quickly as possible. So we can copy this command, and we can proceed, and invalid password. Interesting. We can trigger again, and should be put in here, brackets, and we can forward, and now we can paste in here, run, and we need to, oh, sorry, I need to set up the listener first. My bad. I think this would be timeout. Okay, no problem. Forward, timeout. Okay, we need to do it. To do it again, log out, and admin, anything, login, and we need to bypass the authentication, login authentication. Now we can copy this command, and then we got prepared, right? Forward, and we can paste in here, run, and now we can copy, we can remove, and forward. Maybe has already time out. Sorry about this. Okay, we need to do it again. Admin password. And we can prepare this reversal command. Forward, paste in here, run it, and then we can copy this hash or signature and replace here, forward. Okay, as can, it's working. We have already got the collection from the target, which is wonderful. So I think I already demonstrated how to use the Python to create the Bcrypt hash value. And this hash value utilizes the same version of the target. Okay, so this is the reason why we can get what we expected, right? So that's all I like to do in this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.